Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to explain you about multitasking, which is very interesting, right? You'll come across some new things which you does not notice at all the previous times. Now, multitasking is the name itself indicating that multi means many. Then the other one is task. That means any work. That is, multitasking means ability to perform one or more tasks at a times. That's it. Multitasking means. Multitasking is of two types. One is thread based, another one is process based. Process based multitasking means ability to do one or more processes at the same time. That is process based multitasking. For example, what I'm saying, uh, if you write any program in the notepad simultaneously, if you are listening to songs, that means you are doing two tasks at a time. That is process based multitasking. That is two processes. One is writing anything in the notepad. That is writing anything in the notepad, and simultaneously you are listening some songs. That means you are doing two processes at a time. That is process based multitasking, right? Then comes to the thread based. Thread based means in the previous thing I've said that process based means two process at a time, right? But in thread based multitasking, in a single process you are performing two or the let us say a single process is thread means that thread based multitasking means I have a single process. In the single process there are one or more tasks, right? That means multiprocess means in a single process you are performing two or more tasks. That right? The means in a single process you are performing two or more tasks. For example, uh, I am writing if you are writing anything simultaneously, you if you are printing that one, right? That means you are doing in the same process. That is in the notepad itself. In the notepad itself, if you, for example, imagine that there is a this is an MS Word. If you are writing something, then I press that Control P. Simultaneously, I'm writing in the same process. In the same process itself, the printing one is also carrying on. That means in the same MS Word itself, I'm doing editing and simultaneously I'm printing. I hope you understood. That means multitasking means in a single process you are doing one or more tasks. That means, for example, I gave that in MS Word, if you are editing, if you are writing anything, and simultaneously you are printing that one. I hope you understood this. That is thread-based multitasking and process-based multitasking. And now I want to share some photos with you so that you can understand. This is a process management. See, there are three processes. Let us say this is I am editing in a notepad. I am listening to songs. At the same time, I'm downloading something. See, simultaneously, this is running. This is running. This is running. Three processes are running at a time. And coming to the thread-based multi, this see here is single processes, but there are three tasks T0, T1, T2. A single process is subdivided and doing these three tasks at a time. See, if you have a single processor, when it comes here, then the processor is allocated to this so that it will complete some process, and after doing this to some extent it will allocates processor to this so that it can do some work. After doing some work, then again the process shifts so that each and every task should get some time so that it can proceed to till the end. If you does not allocate processor in this way, whenever the whole T1 completes, then you will then if you allocate the processor to the T1, what happens? That's not called a multitasking, right? At a time it should do. That's it. Multitasking. Please. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.